Okay. Hello students. This is my second 8 puzzle video for chemistry. Here I would like to discuss with you some physical, some changes. Okay, different kinds of changes that takes place in the substances. Okay, that we see around us, that we will see now. So first is the slow change and the fast change. Slow changes we see around us, okay, changes that takes for longer time, and fast change that takes place, a few minutes, from few seconds to few minutes. Okay, fast changes. So slow changes which we see around us, suppose a plant is growing, the growth of the plant is a very slow change. It's a long time it takes. Okay, you are growing is a slow change, it takes time, years. Evaporation of water from the lake or any river or pond, if you see, it's a very slow process, evaporation. Okay, so these are some of the examples around us that we see changes that takes long time. Okay, now the fast changes which takes from few seconds to few minutes. For example, if you burn a paper, okay, the paper will, within a few minutes, it will change into ash. So it's a fast change that takes place. Okay, then bursting an inflated balloon with a needle, okay, it's a fast change. Okay, other examples are lightning of an electric bulb or the fan, that is, okay, just switch on the switch on and automatically fan will start thing. Light, same thing. Okay, so these are the fast changes that takes place, examples around us. Okay, next I will discuss about natural and man-made changes. Natural changes we see around us, man-made changes are also there. Okay, so natural changes which takes place on its own, naturally, the changes that takes place. Okay, so examples of natural changes: the change of day and night around us, the day and night that we experience in our life. Okay, night, it is, again it will become day, again night, so it's cycle, it's happening on its own, natural change. Okay, other examples, if you look into change of season, earthquake that happens. Okay, uh, then growth of things around us, eruption of volcanoes, these are some natural changes, naturally the happenings that, in the environment. Man-made changes, where man involved behind the change, that's called man-made change. Okay, some example: we make buildings, we do different works, changes are there. Okay, vehicles running, change. Okay, we cut trees, change in the environment. We cut mountains, we make roads, change. We make dams on the river, change. Okay, so these are the we make parks, change. Okay, so these are man-made changes, where man involved here behind the change. Okay, now periodic and non-periodic changes, the next is this. What is this? Changes that are repeated at a regular interval of time, that is called periodic changes. Take the example of some natural changes like day and night. 12 hours day, 12 hours night, day night, day night. So at a fixed period of time it is changing. Okay, so after a fixed interval of time it is changing. So this is called periodic changes. Non-periodic changes means there is no fixed time of interval for the change. Okay, if you see some example, like now rainy season, if you go to the hill areas, you will see the landslides that will take place. Is there fixed time behind, in between the landslides? Is there any fixed time? No, there is no fixed time. There is no fixed interval between this. Okay, uh, okay, now look at the flood. Is there any fixed time of interval in between the two floods in a particular area? No, there is no fixed time. Storm, there is no fixed time. Okay, so these are non-periodic things. Okay, like sneezing by people, is there any fixed time interval between this, in the sneezing? No. Okay, so these are the some non-periodic changes. Okay, now desirable changes and undesirable changes. Desirable changes means the changes that takes place according to us, which is desired. Undesirable, that we don't want the change but it happened. Undesirable changes. Okay, there are many examples are there. For example, if you say that um, um, riding a bike, okay, burning the fuel, desirable changes. Okay, now there are some undesirable changes also, which we don't want. Those kind of timely arrival of rains is desirable, otherwise it is undesirable to the farmer. See, good example of desirable and undesirable things, changes. Now reversible and irreversible changes. Reversible changes means the change that takes place, but then we can get back the previous one. Reversible. Irreversible, once the change is done we cannot get the previous one. Irreversible change. Any form of physical change, for example, ice to the liquid, ice melts to water, we can get the ice again if I freeze it, water. Irreversible means burning a paper, you will not get the paper back. And okay, irreversible. Okay, now some other things, for example, physical and chemical. Apart from this, the physical and the chemical changes. Okay, this physical chemical change. Okay, physical change, we have physical change is a temporary change, okay, in which no new substances are formed, and in the chemical composition of the original substance remains the same. Understood? But in the chemical change we see that some formation of new substance comes. That's a chemical change. Chemical change lead to the change in the color, it may lead to the change in the smell, it may lead to the evolution of gas. Okay, so these are the some examples of chemical changes. Understood? So these are different kind of changes that we have already started these things, but I felt that we should be revising some of the topics. Okay, so I hope you understood the physical and the the different kinds of changes that I have discussed now. Okay, I hope that you will be able to answer some of the questions that I have asked throughout the video. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video.